In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set an access code for documents in Jotform Sign to add an extra layer of security. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace. Then select My Sign Documents. Find the document you want to protect and click Edit to open it in the document builder. At the top of the builder, click the Send tab. In the recipient section, enter the recipient's name and email address. Then, click the key icon next to the recipient details to enable the access code option. Enter the access code you want the recipient to use. Choose a code that's easy for the intended recipient to remember but difficult for others to guess. Once you've entered the code and reviewed the recipient information, click Send to Sign. The recipient will receive the document, but they'll need to enter the correct access code before they can view and sign it. That's how to set an access code for documents in Jotform Sign. Thanks for watching.